All right, Snow Day continues. Problem 54, Part B, brought to you by Donnie and his little friend. I we are doing Part B where you've got concentration of lots of product and no reactant. So again, our K for number 54 is 0.09, right? And this time they've given you concentration of point. Well, how do I know this concentration is 0.5 molar? Well, they told me they gave us 1 mole of pure product in gas in 2-liter flasks. So if I have 1 mole in 2 liters, that's 0.5 moles per liter, or molarity. That's of my HOCl. So we just need to set this up to, again, we're going to put our exponent of 2 here because we get 2 products for each one reactant. But what is going to happen here? What is it going to be at equilibrium? How can I set this up? Because this is just initial. Initial, I have 0 reactant, and my product is 0.5 molarity, right? We're going to change this. We're going to add. We're going to end up with reactants this time. So we're going to have plus x minus 2x proportionately. So now at equilibrium, we're going to have x, and 0.5 minus 2x, or 0.5. Make that a little more obvious. All right. So now we can plug these, our concentrations at equilibrium, and we can plug these back into our lovely mass change law. So 0.09 equals 0.5 minus 2x squared divided by, well, can I just write x squared? We know it's going to be x times x, right? It's going to be x, 0.5 minus 2x. So we're just going to write x squared. Because now it makes it a little easier when I go to solve this. I'm actually going to bring this up here. I don't think it's the way they did it in your book, but for me it just makes it more clear to see. This is 0.09x squared, and this is something squared. And here's what I love. I can take the square root of this number right here and the square root of this number. Whenever you see those 9s or 25s pop up, you always love to see them because you know you can just take the square root of that and end up with 0.03x equals 0.5 minus 2x. Now it's really clean math. Combine our like factors. How do you want to do this? Bring this 2x over here and add it on? Why not? Oh, look at that. I did the wrong square root. 0.09, square root of 0.09 is not 0.03, it's 0.3. So 0.3x, 2 minus 0.3x is going to be 1. No, we got to add that, right? Sorry, it's going to be 2.3x equals 0.5. And so x is going to be both sides divided by 2.3. So our x is going to equal 0.5 again? No, 0.217. All right, now that we have x, they've asked us to say what the concentration of everything is. Well, both the reactants have a concentration of 0.217 molar. So that's our water and our chlorine oxide, H2O, and Cl2O. But we got to figure out what 0.5 minus 2x is. So 0.217 times 2. Let's take that from 0.5, and we're going to get some really small number, like 0.07. and that's our product. And that's how you do part B of number 54. And I hope you enjoyed these. Have a good night.